Entry in field value date. Three two zero zero is already there as a debit. It will be used for clearing. I will double click it. We have 19,000, but I will simply like that partial amount and let's do residual. Residual item will be out of 16,000. Let's say we want to keep back 12,100. This is the new invoice that will be created in residual. Okay. Minus. Enter. Okay. Petty cash. Star. Petty cash for 695. Taxes. New. Still not calculating it. You have to check. Okay. Two. Six. Two. Withholding tax. Withholding tax base is this amount. Is this base is 363. It's not still calculated. There is some problem. Let's post it. 1501 was posted. The document display. Withholding tax. Withholding tax. Okay. It has calculated, but it is not showing here. So you can see how this posting was done. Now let's check the FPL1N 3090. All items execute. What remains back is 12,100 in residual. The rest was cleared, and this is cleared.